Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Today, we're diving straight into the good stuff. In this video, we're revealing not one, not two, but 10 incredibly effective ways to make a whopping $10,000 a month. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a side hustler, or someone looking to level up their income game, this is the video you've been waiting for. Get ready to discover life-changing money ideas that will set you on the path to financial freedom. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's jump right in and unlock those money-making secrets together. Number 10 is virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is a profitable opportunity to earn $10,000 a month. A virtual assistant is a remote professional who provides administrative, creative, or technical support to individuals or businesses. Virtual assistants handle various tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, conducting research, and social media management. By offering your skills and expertise as a virtual assistant, you can attract clients and build a steady income stream. Building a strong online presence, networking, and marketing your services effectively are key steps to success in this field. The best way to get started is for beginners to use their existing network of friends, family, business owners, and bloggers. This will help you land a client with less competition, and it increases your chances of more income. Number 9 is social media marketing agency owner. Running a social media marketing agency has the potential of making $10,000 a month. A social media marketing agency should create and execute effective marketing strategies for businesses or individuals. The agency will also manage its social media presence, curate engaging content, schedule posts, respond to comments, analyze data, and implement marketing campaigns. The best part, you can open a social media marketing agency without any prior experience. The best place to start is by offering paid advertising with Google, Instagram, Facebook, etc. This is because paid advertising pays the most, and everyone needs it. Also, people will expect to pay a higher price for this service, and you can measure the results of paid advertising so that clients can see if it's working. So, running a social media marketing agency is one of the best ways to print money. Number 8 is drop shipping. Drop shipping has the potential to generate $10,000 a month, making it an enticing opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method in which the seller owns no merchandise. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from the supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, so the seller doesn't handle the product or keep any inventory on hand. To achieve a monthly income of $10,000, it is crucial to focus on various aspects, such as selecting a profitable niche, sourcing or creating high-quality products, implementing effective marketing strategies, and providing excellent customer service. You should also use paid advertising social media platforms to increase visibility and sales. With the right product and the right timing, you can easily make $10,000 a month. Number 7 is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate, you will join an affiliate program. Your primary focus is to promote the product through various marketing channels, such as product reviews and creating content. Every time someone clicks on your referral link and completes a purchase, you will receive a commission or a percentage of the sale. It's very important that you pick a profitable niche. For example, software affiliates can make an obscene amount of money since software has one of the highest payouts. So, to make $10,000 a month, you will need to find high-paying affiliate programs with products or services that are in high demand. And above all, you must create engaging content to lure in customers. Create trust amongst your target niche customers and give them content that helps them make informed decisions. Number 6 is copywriting. Copywriting refers to writing text or copy in marketing or promotional materials. Some examples include emails, social media, websites, and advertisements. But not all copywriters are created equal, because not every copywriter will make $10,000 a month, unless that copywriter has skills and chooses the right type of copywriting. For example, 2 types of copywriting that pay a large amount of money are sales letters and email campaigns. So, If you want to be rolling around in a bed of money, start with these money-making copywriting areas. And above all, getting the right clients will get you to $10,000 a month. The key is to produce quality copywriting for the right clients. Then, these satisfied clients will refer you to other potential clients. Number 5 is YouTube channel or podcast. Starting a YouTube channel or podcast can definitely make you $10,000 a month. It seems like everyone and their mama is either starting a YouTube channel or podcast. And I can see why. For example, Spotify paid Joe Rogan a whopping $200 million to host his podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience, exclusively on its platform. So a YouTube channel or podcast offers opportunities to create engaging content and attract a substantial audience. Individuals can monetize their channels by consistently producing high-quality videos or podcast episodes on a specific topic of interest. Advertising revenue from platforms like Google AdSense, brand sponsorships, and product endorsements are common sources of income. Also, creators can sell merchandise or offer premium content to their dedicated fans. Building a successful YouTube channel or podcast requires dedication and creativity. But if you stick with it, you can make $10,000 a month at minimum. Number 4 is online course creator. Do people constantly contact you for advice on how to do something? Well, this is your sign to create an online course. The best part is that you will only have to create the course once. So it can be reoccurring income based on little upkeep. Online courses can be hosted on popular platforms such as Teachable or Kajabi. Or you can set up an online course shop on your domain using platforms such as WordPress. Either way, online courses can be very profitable and earn you way more than $10,000 a month. Just a word of advice. Before you spend months or years creating an online course, validate your idea first. You don't want to waste your time creating an online course that no one will purchase. One of the simplest ways to validate an idea is to create a pre-sale for the online course to gauge how much interest there is for that particular topic. Once you get a profitable topic, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Number 3 is online coaching. Online coaching is a little more intimate than online courses because it involves one-on-one interactions with clients. The key is to position yourself as an expert in the field. This can mean getting a degree, certifications, or even real-world experience for a certain amount of time. Once you become an expert, you can charge a huge amount of money for your expertise. You can also offer group coaching for a lower price and upsell your individual coaching as a higher ticket item. This allows you to retain more clients who may be more budget-friendly or don't need individual coaching sessions. Either way, you can easily make $10,000 a month with just a handful of clients. Number 2 is freelancing. Becoming a freelancer is another way to make $10,000 a month. Freelancing services can be profitable if you have valuable skills and expertise in a particular field. Working independently lets you choose your clients, set your rates, and determine your workload. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr provide opportunities to showcase your skills and connect with clients seeking specific services. You can offer writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or business consulting services as a freelancer. Building a strong reputation and delivering high-quality work can lead to repeat clients and referrals, which can contribute to reaching your financial goal of $10,000 per month. But it's important to constantly refine your skills, market your services effectively, and maintain excellent client relationships to sustain long-term success in the freelance industry. Number 1 is to start a successful online business. Starting a successful online business is the best way to make $10,000 a month. The online business world offers numerous opportunities, such as e-commerce, digital marketing services, software development, and consulting. You can create a substantial income business by identifying a high-demand niche and leveraging your expertise. Building an online presence through a well-designed website, effective marketing strategies, and exceptional customer service is crucial. Also, implementing revenue streams like product sales, subscriptions, or digital downloads can contribute to reaching the $10,000 monthly target. Success in online business requires dedication, adaptability, and a focus on providing value to customers to build a loyal customer base and earn life-changing money. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey of discovering 10 incredible ways to make $10,000 a month. We've explored various avenues and strategies to help you achieve financial success and unlock the potential for a more prosperous future. Remember, each method requires dedication and perseverance. Whether starting an online business, online coaching, or leveraging your virtual assistant skills, there's an opportunity to print money. Wishing you all the best on your path to financial abundance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. We'll see you next time.